So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to show or hide the Safari toolbar on your iPhone device. So the first thing you want to do is to open up the Safari app. So let's do that. From here you can see this is the home page of the app, so I don't have any tabs open. So the thing I can do right here, so let's click on some website. So from here you can see some of the things that you can do. So mainly at the bottom where the URL is, you can go to the left and click on that, and you can see some of the options like hide distracting items, translate website, manage extensions, and you can see the three dots as well, which will open up a whole different layer of Safari. So from here you can see privacy report, hide toolbar, request desktop website, print, and many more options as well. So if I just click on hide toolbar, you can see right now it's non-visible. It takes up the entire screen. So it's really easy to do that. So if I want it back, I just click on it, and then you can do that also by scrolling really fast. It minimizes so you can see a better picture of the thing that you're browsing. So once again, you can go to the three dots and just click on hide toolbar. If you want it to be shown again, just click on the URL at the bottom and it's going to pop up once more. That means that most likely you want to use something or to type something else. That means that a toolbar will appear again. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.